Is your Eufy Chime failing to join your network, leaving your doorbell silent? Let's get it back online in a few minutes. Statistically, the vast majority of these connection failures are simply due to poor signal strength or interference from other household devices. Before we dive into the settings, let's go over the core diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by unplugging the chime for a full minute, then try pairing it closer to your router on a 2.4 GHz band. These devices specifically struggle with 5 GHz networks, and sometimes a simple app cache clear is all you really need. Try a router reboot first, but if that fails, a hard factory reset is usually the final step to clear persistent bugs. As you can see, simple power management and frequency selection resolve 3/4 of all reported connection issues. To perform a hard reset, hold the sync button for 10 seconds until the LED pulses red, then repair through the app. Keep a paperclip handy for that reset button, and ensure your account password is ready for the new setup process. Remember, if these steps don't work, verify that your Chime firmware is fully updated in the device settings menu. Your Chime should be back online now. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes and troubleshooting guides.